Okay, so when you're moving on step 2 of the yes test, you are going to finalize and clean up your draft. And as I showed in the first video, I left this part of the yes test blank. The paragraphs are indented, there's no extra white space, because we're going to do this part as part of step 2, and then I can go put yes here when I'm done. So we are going to make it look like an essay. So currently, the one we're working with, the sample here, does not look like an essay yet because it's got all the boxes still, and there's directions in here. The prompt is still there. Actually, I deleted the prompt, but yours probably still has the prompt on there. There's colors on there. So first thing you want to do before you do this step is actually go through and edit everything. Okay, so really go through. So if there's anything that people found or that you found that's in orange or in green, you're going to go through and fix those things. So this person found that they had the letter or the word U, and if you see the final draft of this, you'll see they actually edited it. So they actually changed that and fixed it. So once they've done that, they're going to go through and delete the boxes and change the colors back. Okay, so let's assume they already fixed it. They're going to delete like the directions here and these boxes. So let's just delete this box. Let's get it here. Delete the box. Yeah, I had a little trouble deleting this box the other day, so it might be giving you that same trouble. I had a way to do it, and now I can't remember. But find, to the best of your ability, just try to delete that box. If it's still stuck on there after you try to delete it, then, oh, there you go. So you have to highlight it and then hit delete. So if you highlight it and hit delete, it'll go away. And then sometimes you have to recenter everything. So this person changed their title to a different title. You can do that if you want to, just to make an impression on your reader, but it's not going to be part of your grade. So you can just leave the title the way it was, the I Am Malala Refuge Essay. And now you can see this looks very nice. This looks like it's an essay. And then we've got to delete these other boxes. So we can do that same thing, highlight the whole box and just hit delete. And then we're going to delete the directions there. And then you'll see we've got our body paragraphs. They should be right next to each other, but when the next one starts here, when body paragraph starts, you're going to hit tab and you're going to make it so it indents. So they're right attached to each other. There's no extra space in there, but there's a tab. Okay? Same thing here. We're going to go through, delete this whole box. So you want to highlight the whole thing and then hit delete and it'll go away. And then this one's already lined up nicely. They're right next to each other. You hit tab and they look great. So this is the last box to delete. All fully highlighted. And delete. Oh, we want to keep the works cited down here though. Okay. All right, so now this looks like an essay. And the only thing is those colors. So again, make sure you've gone through and actually edited and changed those mistakes if you had any orange or green. And then you can take off, we'll assume this person already did that, you can take off the colors. So you go down and highlight the whole thing. So get this whole thing highlighted, all of your words. Then you're going to go up to the highlight color and click on none. And poof, all the colors are gone. And look, it's a beautiful essay. So I will tell you, you are going to leave some things on here. So you're going to leave the labels of your sentences on all of the sentences. You want to leave your labels on there. That makes it faster for me to grade and also easier for you to understand your grade and why I give you the score you got. When I put comments on there, it's going to be directly centered around, is this sentence what you think it is? And that way we can communicate what you're thinking you're doing and I can translate what I think you should be doing. So it's kind of a really helpful way to communicate with each other during the grading process. Then you're going to leave your underlines and your bolds also. That makes it very easy for me to see that you understand those skills, that you have a citation, that you did the citation correctly, and that you also integrated your quote. That makes it very easy visual for me to see and check off that you have those skills shown in your essay. Okay, So you're going to leave those things, but everything else, the colors and all those boxes and directions can go away, and you have this nice, beautiful essay completed. So that then you go over here, and once you've done that, you say yes.